What's going on, guys? This is the Crampbuster. You could pick this up for about $10 on Amazon or Revzilla, about 10 bucks or so, but it's a quick install. You put this underneath the Crampbuster so it could get grip. You can put it at the end of your bar like so, put it on, quick fix. I'll show you guys in a second. So you go ahead, just put this rubber piece on the end. You can put it basically anywhere you want. I'm gonna put it right there. I like it right there. It's out the way just in case I can put the brake lever. And then you slide this bad boy on. And then you're gonna lift up on it if you want to adjust it. And then when you push down, it turns your accelerator. Once you slide it on, you push up to adjust it. And then press down to accelerate. That way you don't have to grip the throttle. You know, long rides, just press down on it. Probably just more rough for me, because I'm a little taller. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time.